This is the Bonitech digital clock that I got in the mail. All of the contents laid out. I put it on a vise and started putting resistors in. After soldering in the resistors, then goes the capacitors, the battery holder, which it didn't come with, LED, and then the sockets. This is me soldering them in. I just go over just one row. I found this board pretty easy to work with. I've gotten some other boards from, you know, from China, and they're a bit harder to solder up, but this one actually went really smooth. And then here's the front side view. These are the transistors gone in now, the photoresistor. Another board that was elevated a little bit. The speaker wires were soldered into place right here. And those were the LED lights. I just plugged it up real quick, just a quick test. And then this was the casing. I didn't say exactly how to put the speaker in, so I just used some double-sided tape right here. And then here's the actual thing. Temperature, gear, the date, 4/15, April 15th. Day of the week, the 4th day in the week, which is Wednesday, and back to the time. PM04. Right here I go over the LED feature on it. I thought it was kind of odd, but it does work. Thanks. 1708.